Lo mhlangano bekuzobhungwa ngomhlahlandlela weqembu obheke phambili. Iliqeqebana lamalungu e-ANC likhala ngokukhishwa nyumbazana yekomiti lesikhashana elilawula iqembu esifundazweni. Lokhu kwenzeka nje amagatsha e-ANC eNorthwest aphezu komshikashika okusingatha imihlangano lapho kuzoqokwa khona abazomela iqembu okhethweni lohulumeni basekhaya.
We are going to interdict the IPC so as they do not continue with the processes which leads to local government elections. As we are here today, yesterday we met with the attorneys who are busy preparing the court papers with regard to the interdict.
Kanti amanye amalungu eqembu abebambe umhlangano lapho edalule khona ukuthi abasonga kuyisa iqembu enkantolo abalikhathalele ubumbano lwe-ANC.
Those may very well be just another political non-house of people who are prophets of doom, people who do not want to accept that the constitution of the organization reigns supreme under the circumstances, and therefore it is very simple for them. They must either subject, if they are genuine members of the organization, they must subject themselves to the constitution of the organization.
Ubelebese unxuse wonke amalungu eqembu angagculisekile ukuthi afake izikhalo ezinhlakeni zangaphakathi ku-ANC.